If you're no longer receiving friend request notifications on your Facebook account, then it means that you turned off friend request notifications. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn them on and also start receiving notifications whenever anyone on Facebook sends you a friend request. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel to support me. To get started, go over to this icon showing your photo and then tap on it to display the menu. And here we are on menu. Now we can see we have settings option here. Go ahead and tap on settings. And then under this, scroll down until you get to preferences section. Under preferences section, go ahead and look for notifications and you can see it is here. Tap on it. And now look for the option called friend request. Go ahead and tap on it. Currently you can see notifications for push, email and SMS have been turned off. And this is the main reason why you are not receiving these notifications. To turn them on, go ahead and just toggle this turn on like that. And then from now henceforth, you'll start receiving push, email and SMS notifications. If you only want for specific, maybe you only want for push and you don't want for email, you can also just choose to leave the others off and remain with the one that you so wish. So that's how you turn on friend request notifications on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.